back in action. We're back in the action, boys. It doesn't get much more pathetic than this camera setup, boys. I'll tell you that for free. Apparently, it's let's listen to music real loud in the house all day today. Film the car, it's no big deal. Kind of digging this lighting too, so let's go. Anyway, man, real quick, of course, we have a giveaway going on right now for this gold rope chain. I'm trying to give back to you guys as much as I can with some real cool jewelry. If you guys can help me out with 3,000 thumbs up within the day on this video, man, that's how you win it. You also have to comment down below. My Instagram's right here. Shoot me a follow, then tell me on messages or whatever you did that. Let's get into the video, boys. So y'all know I'm a big X fan, man, for a long time, and first off, I want to say there's a lot of people when I do X videos and other people do X videos, they're like, oh, why are you doing this to somebody who's passed? I don't even need to explain myself. The NameBran fam know I'm a big fan of them. But you know, I don't know, if I like a rapper or like a subject, I like watching videos on them. I wish more people would do like X merch reviews and stuff like that. That would be dope, you know what I mean? So anyway, we got, correct me if I'm wrong, we are unboxing XXXTentacion, the rapper, of course. His first merch jewelry piece as far as I know. I've done some research and I've been on most of the merch drops and bought most of the merch from his drops in the past, and I've never seen any jewelry actually put out by the XXXTentacion team. So this was kind of cool, man, and the piece that we're actually going to be reviewing is mad iconic. So I had to get that for you guys, man. Leave a comment down below if you do dig X, what your favorite song is. You know, I think right now mine is Train Food. Been digging that a lot lately, so I'm not excited to bring this, man, and hopefully you guys are stoked for it too. Oh, it's hot in here, man. Is that on? Oh, shoot. Thank God for a car cleaning cloth, man. Wipe off the sweat. Alright, so we're gonna get into X piece real soon. Really excited for that. I haven't seen it yet, but first, because we're kind of doing like a rapper merch unboxing, I actually just got this in the mail like a couple days ago. Thought I'd like throw it in. One, because I feel like an absolute freaking loser for purchasing it, but two, I think it might be kind of sick. Boys, what we have here, first off, just as a little bonus, I already cut it open because I ain't got no scissors in this car. Knowing me, I drop it. I just see myself having scissors in my hand trying to open this thing and like juggling it as I fumble. Oh no, don't drop it, Brad. Edward Scissorhands. Anyway, okay, first time picking it out. I don't know if you guys have been following the Cactus Jack merch. This is Travis Scott's new merch right here. It's a freaking action figure, bro. I don't know if I should be like kind of ashamed of buying this or if I should just go back to my childhood days and get a Barbie doll and make him kiss a lot. So weird. Oh, those look sick. I mean, those are kind of cool. I'm gonna be having mad battles with these guys later. His last action figure he put out, it retailed for more than these. These actually retailed for $75 American. But the last one, it was the first. It was a lot better quality, obviously. It goes for like, correct me if I'm wrong, like almost $5,000 right now. So I got two of these puppies. We'll unbox one for myself. Oh, buddy, let's go. Also, I just think it's funny to do an action figure unboxing on the channel. It's either funny or pathetic, but I knew to get some resell, so I'm gonna sell one and the other one I'm gonna keep. Once I sell one, I got my money's worth for this and I still made a little bit of money. You already ripped the box, you idiot. God damn it. I thought they were supposed to be 6 inches, bro. They're 12 inches, pause, which is a good thing. Pause again. Oh, he's strapped in. Frick it. Then we got this one right here. Just wanted to throw it in. I was pretty excited to pull this thing open. Now, you idiot. This is just destroyed. It just looks awful. Next, let's get into the X piece, boys. Right after these messages, this video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, boys. If you guys don't know about NameBran Fam, it's our website. There's a link down below. We sell mad cheap pieces. They are fake, and they also are free almost. All I ask you to do is pay shipping. So you can actually add 2 free pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping on that link of the website down below. Here are 2 pieces you guys have been really digging on the website, man. Appreciate you guys for shopping. All that money goes into me buying action figures for videos and beer funds. Appreciate it a lot. NameBranFam.com, thank you. Now let's get on to the X stuff. Fan out the car door first. I'm in a hot box of heat. My neighbors are like, this idiot. Getting into the X piece right now, boys. This thing actually retailed for $75, which in my opinion, I think it was $75. I think that's honestly absolutely ridiculous for what it looks like it's gonna be. I'm hoping in this they got a cool box. One for the thumbnail and 2. If I'm paying $75 for what I think I am, it's bad news bears if there's no cool box in here. So let's get into it right now. You guys let me know if you purchased as well. Once again, I did cut it. I haven't seen anything yet. The lighting's starting to go bad in here. If you guys are wondering, it's because all the steam coming off my damn balls. It's steaming up the car. Let's go. We got paper. We got, yeah! Woo! We got a box. We got the XXXTentacion box right here. That's cool. It says packaging made of recycled materials too, which we don't care about. But we do if we paid $75 for what's inside here. No disrespect to X. I love this merch, but I think it could have been cheaper. But we'll have to see the quality. That's another reason why I needed to unbox this. Boys, you're gonna know right away. The classic. Oh, okay, this is cool. The classic X piece, man. So they displayed it, cool. You know what I mean? We got the elastics around it and stuff like that. As you guys know, I hope I don't have to put up this picture, but for people who aren't maybe fans of him, there's a picture of him wearing it. There's so many. Just an absolutely iconic freaking piece, man. His classic one. I will not be wearing this. Also, to answer any questions, I just look like a freaking idiot. We all know it. You know, I feel like the only person that could actually pull off this chain would have been X. The lighting's going down real fast again. We're fogging up the bit. Alright, so details on this, man. This is why I was saying it's like mad expensive, really, for what it is, because I'm assuming this is stainless steel. Yeah, it's got some weight to it. This is the worst part. This part right here. I hate when they put plastic around the damn thing. Can y'all still see? This whole thing is just gonna be shoddy in the car, bro. I'm sweating like a freaking penguin. Actually, I don't think they sweat. No, they don't fly. Oh, they definitely sweat then. But, oh, this is a pickle and a half. I'll be right back. Update, there was in fact a pull tab to get this plastic off, which I'll say right now does not work either. Alright, how's that angle? A little better? I don't know why I didn't do that before. Anyway, this is it, man. I'm starting to I'm freaking out. I can't do it. So this is, you guys get the picture of the chain. One cool thing, I don't know if I said, it does have XXX right there, and this is, we'll wear it how X would have worn it. How's that sound? One thing I do hope for this, not that I really care, but I think it would be cool for like, I think it would be a cool thing for them to do, is if they made this the exact length of what X's was, you know what I mean? Kind of made it somewhat of a replica. I think that's would have been the coolest way. However, I think they probably didn't do that. It's a cool piece for the wall, man. It's a cool piece for display. I personally look like a PUSSY in it. There's a review though, man. Weird review, but I thought, once again, real iconic and cool that they finally put out a jewelry piece of X, and I hope they continue to do stuff like that, because I just think that would be awesome. Any sort of merch that they put out, I'm not gonna lie, I personally agree, X's merch is, out of any rappers, I think, and I'm not just saying it's biased because I'm a huge fan, I think he's got the coolest styles, stuff that I actually wear out in public. A lot of this stuff, like Lil Pump's is awful, 6ix9ine's is awful. Nobody wants that. You're gonna make money off it, but nobody wants. You look dumb. It's like, oh, weird with the weird graphics. X does it well. His people, I guess, now do it really well. I think they're still kind of moving along with how X would have designed his merch, hopefully, or at least it kind of goes aside with the merch he used to create when he was still alive, and it still kind of looks the same style now. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. Merc in the game, the greatest of all time. Little X jewelry review / action figure thing. Totally regretting already unboxing this. Appreciate it. Blow.